You have to surrender to Him all that you have. It's an act of obedience. I love that definition of worship. An act of obedience. So God tells us things in our spirit, things that we need to change in our life. He's speaking to each and every single one of us. We know what God is calling us to do, what He's calling us to give up. And here at Yahweh, we open that floor for you to surrender unto Him, to walk in your obedience unto God. Maybe you've already surrendered everything to Him, and you got lost along the way, and you kind of retracked and wanted to go back like the Israelites. They always wanted to go back and do the things that were easy for them to do instead of the things that God told them to do. And you may need to rededicate yourself and start all over again. God will give